Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is Tuesday the 9th of March and we are going to be identifying and punctuating adverbial openers. Can you please pause the video, write your date and learning objective, and when you're ready, unpause the video. Okay, so first, before we begin, there's a quick reminder of what an adverbial opener is, and sometimes adverbial openers are called fronted adverbials. They tell us when or where or how a verb happened. So when or where or how. And because they are openers or they are fronted, they always come at the beginning of a sentence. So for example, in the sentence, this summer, comma, I am going to Spain. So my adverbial opener or my fronted adverbial there would be this summer. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a load of sentences on the board. And what you're going to do is you are going to write out just the adverbial opener or the fronted adverbial, not the whole sentence, just the adverbial opener. And you're also going to tell me whether it is a when opener, whether it's a where opener, or whether it's a how opener. We'll do the first one together and I'll give you the answer straight away. But the others, I want you to have a go at on your own, and we'll come back and we'll mark them together at the end. Are you ready? Okay, so I've got some when and where and how openers up here for you. And I am going to move myself up here so you can see the sentence. So I'm going to help you with the first one just so that you get the idea of it as a practice. Okay, so I'm going to read the sentence. It says, after the lesson was over, comma, we put our books away. So the adverbial opener there is after the lesson was over, comma. So it's everything up to and including the comma. If you are ever unsure, the comma is a really, can you see the comma there? The comma is a really good way of knowing where the opener ends, because when we have adverbial openers or fronted adverbials, they always go at the beginning of the sentence and they should always have a comma after them as well. So if you look for that comma, that's a really good clue. So we've identified the adverbial opener, the fronted adverbial, and now we need to decide whether it is a when or a where or a how. So this one is a when. So I'm just going to write at the end when. Okay? It tells us, when did we put our books away? Well, we did it after the lesson was over. So, are you ready to have a go at some on your own? Okay. Without hesitation, I ran down the corridor. And the next one. In the stable, the horse ate his hay. And the next one. Before school, I ironed my smartest shirt. And the next one. As quick as a flash, Usain Bolt ran the 100-metre race. And the next one. In the garden, I planted some new flowers. And the next one. Yesterday afternoon, the children did PE. And the next one. Halfway up the mountain, I tripped and hurt my ankle. And the next one is bravely I got out of bed to investigate the strange noise downstairs. Okay, we're going to do a few more and then we'll mark them together. The next question is, remember, you're going to write out the adverbial opener and tell me, is it a when, a where, or a how? Far away, there was a magic fairy tale castle. And the next one. Without a sound, the children tidied up the classroom. And finally, in the distance, I can see storm clouds. When you're ready, you can go back and listen to those again, but I am going to go on to the next slide and tell you the answers. So make sure you've got as many answers written down as you can. And then in a moment, I'm going to go on to the next slide and show you the answers. Okay, so after the lesson was over, we put our books away. Well, that tells me when. When did it happen? When did we put our books away? After the lesson was over. Without hesitation, I ran down the corridor. It tells me how I ran down the corridor. How did I do it? I did it without hesitation. In the stable, the horse ate his hay. That is a where opener. It tells me where the horse ate his hay. Where did he eat his hay? In the stable. Before school, I ironed my smartest shirt. Well, that tells me when I ironed my smartest shirt. When did I iron my smartest shirt? Before school. As quick as a flash, Usain Bolt ran the 100-metre race. How did he do it? As quick as a flash. So that is a how fronted adverbial. In the garden, I planted some new flowers. Well, that tells me where I planted some new flowers. Where did I plant my new flowers? In the garden. Yesterday afternoon, the children did PE. That is a when opener. When did the children do PE? Yesterday afternoon. Halfway up the mountain, I tripped and hurt my ankle. That is a where opener. Where did I trip and hurt my ankle? Halfway up the mountain. Bravely, I got out of bed to investigate the strange noise downstairs. That is a how adverbial opener. How did I get out of bed? Bravely. Far away, there was a magical fairy tale castle. Well, that tells me where. Where is there a magical fairy tale castle? Far away. Without a sound, the children tidied up the classroom. That tells me how the children tidied up. How did they tidy up? Without a sound. And the last one, in the distance, I can see storm clouds. That is a where adverbial opener. Where can I see storm clouds? In the distance. So well done if you managed to get all of those correct. That is the end of today's lesson. Well done, you're great at adverbial openers, and I can't wait to see all the work that you come up with. Have a lovely day. Bye.